I had engagements with several banks in the GCC area, sales teams that pretty much were very experienced, very much focused on their existing processes and how they do things. But when we went out and interviewed some of their clients, they realized that the buying process that the customers would like was very, very different with how the bank was coming and engaging with them. So we really felt that there was a complete mismatch between their selling process and their CRM and all the metrics that they had and how consumers would ideally like to have that journey. And when they came up with that realization, they said, hey, listen, what we need to do is we just need to nudge and adapt this in a way that the way that we sell, the way that we communicate is much more in line with the ideal customer buying journey. So that's one example of an engagement that I had, or several engagements that I've had with a few banks in the GCC.